Hi guys, welcome to the Baby Cubby. We just got the new UPPAbaby Vista in its brand new color. It's called Anthony and we're gonna unbox it. So UPPAbaby just kind of started in the past year to make their frame of their stroller in a darker color. So they've always had like a classic like silver color, and they now have been coming out with this dark frame and it's beautiful. And so some of their colors come with the dark frame and some come with the light. This is one of the dark frames and I have never seen this color before and I'm so excited. All right, this is the first piece. I'm so excited to see what it is and what it looks like. Oh my gosh. Look at this color. Oh my gosh, it is beautiful. Look at that canopy. Okay, let's just take the rest of this out and we'll talk about the pieces that it comes with. Here is that frame that I told you about. It is beautiful. It's like this dark, almost black, like charcoal color. It is so pretty. I am loving just how sleek it looks, like the dark color. Okay, one of the best parts about UPPAbaby is their beautiful leather detailing, and it comes on the handlebar. It is so pretty. This is their like medium brown color, which is awesome. So one of the easiest things is it comes with the frame and the bassinet and the stroller seat, and it's super easy to put together. You just pull the wheels. These are the back wheels, and they just come out. So it's super easy. Like I said, you just grab the styrofoam like off the wheels and then you just pop them in. Back wheels are on, and I typically like to just pop it up because you're gonna put your front wheels on. Okay, we just put the frame together. It was super quick, super easy. We popped those wheels on. Again, it has this beautiful leather handlebar, and I just love the color of the frame. It's so pretty. I love that they're doing this dark frame. I think it looks really good with the color that we're about to show you. All right, you guys, this is the toddler seat for the UPPAbaby, and it basically just clicks in super easy. And this is that new color we've been talking about. This is Anthony. It is a light, like heathered gray. I am obsessed with the actual texture of this. It's kind of like a tweed material, and I think this would be so easy to clean despite how light it is. Okay, and I'm gonna pop the handlebar on. So each of the toddler seat and the second seat has a little leather handlebar. It's nice for your kids to be able to hold it when they're riding in the stroller. Again, super easy, and then we can just pop out this footwell and you are ready to stroll. So one of the reasons we at the Baby Cubby are obsessed with the Vista is because of these new features. They came out with the Vista V2 and they've put them on all of their Vista V2s. So there is a nice zip out canopy here. It pops down. Look how much coverage your baby is gonna get. It's awesome in the summer. It's awesome in the winter when it's cold. So it's really like multi-seasonal. And then you have on the top a lot of like places for airflow. I also love that you can recline this seat super easy. So you just press this button on the back and then it just reclines. And you have like a full recline. One of the greatest features about the Vista is also this big basket that you have. I'm noticing in this Anthony, there is that cute little mesh pocket, which is awesome. And I like that it's mesh on the sides. It can hold up to 30 pounds. That is a big basket. That holds a lot of weight in there. So your diaper bag, all the toys, the groceries, the snacks, everything, all the pool stuff in the summer, all the blankets in the winter, everything can go in here. All right, I'm gonna show you guys the new Mesa V2 color with this color. It's the Mesa V2 in Stella, and this one's the UPPAbaby Vista in Anthony. And I think they just look really pretty together. Again, this color is beautiful. Both of these are brand new colors and they look amazing. You're just gonna pop this seat off. You can put this down. And then the Mesa V2 just clicks in. You do not need adapters, which is awesome. And that's what it looks like. You have that same gray color for your canopy on your car seat, and it looks so pretty. I'm obsessed with this, the dark frame of the Mesa V2 and the dark frame of the Vista together. So pretty. All right, guys, that wraps up our unboxing of the new Vista V2 in the color Anthony. It is so pretty. We love the dark frame, we love the leather handle, and this color is just gorgeous. Make sure to come check out this color in store or online at babycubby.com. We'll see you guys next time.